Hello everyone, it's Emily Roets-Estevez. I'm here to share my data protocol, which I'm calling Team Review. While every individual educational staff member should be able to analyze data on their own, I think that there are some valuable insights to be found when reviewing data as a team. I have kind of an overview here, some steps to go through, starting with reviewing district and building level mission and vision statements, and remembering that the whole point of reviewing the data is to celebrate success and find areas we can improve on. So I've also created a visual form and a blank copy here, so let me go over that. I kind of created this pyramid step visual to help teachers kind of start by setting a foundation and working up to the peak of conversation, which is making an action plan. So we've got some little notes section here in case we have a team leader kind of explaining the data, if there's any quick thoughts, questions they might have. I think it's important to start by setting the foundation by identifying what type of data are we reviewing. This is where we're going to decide, are we looking at summative or formative data? Is this test data or student surveys, demographic perception, student learning or school processes data? We want to think about how many students are being represented here and which of our students. After we ask clarifying questions and have a good basis for the data review, we're going to work on to specifying. So we're going to look at specific subgroups and compare these to the aggregated data, which could be averages or national, district, state standards. We want to look at what are some disparities among certain subgroups, what are different points of celebration or concern, and how have trends in the data changed since the last data review. Next is where the team part comes in. We want to have the educational staff members who specifically work with the subgroups in question there to kind of offer what are we seeing in the classrooms that could be contributing to data trends. They might also be more knowledgeable about the needs that these students have and be able to advocate for more resources or accommodations that could support student success and student well-being. After everyone's kind of shared their wealth of knowledge, we move up to setting goals. So this is where we're going to identify what changes we want to see, what's realistic and achievable for us, and what has worked well in the past. After this sort of brainstorming session, we're going to get more concrete with the action plan. We want to know what is specifically in our power to change, and this is when we're going to start giving staff members roles, set some timelines and measures, and decide when we're going to come back to reassess and see if the data trends have changed.